wanna be normal. I'm always overthinking. I'm driving myself crazy.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Crazy House Saloon. My name is Melissa, and today I am unboxing the vintage Tea Time subscription box. This is tea, biscuits, china, and more. I'm going to open that last. We have our teas. Got some treats. We've got a present here to open. I like to get this stuff out of here so I can kind of see everything that we have up front. Make sure I'm not missing anything. Okay, so let's see what we've got in this package. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And it says it's 8 blank cards with envelopes. Okay, so all of the cards look just like the box, and they are blank inside. We have several teas here. Let's see. So we've received 8 packages of teas. This is caffeine-free Soothe. We have a pure peppermint, Twinings turmeric, Twinings sleep, this is a Ridgeway tea, Ridgeways. PG Tips Earl Grey, Twinings Everyday Rich and Full Body Tea, and then Taylor's Afternoon Tea. And then our treats. So with the treats, we received the Borders 2 Golden Oat Crumbles. It's biscuits or cookies, as we would call them here in America. Biscoff. a Nestle Yorkie biscuit. And then the main item, our china. Inside the cup, there are a few little candies. And the china, super cute. And it's not the same as last time. So I really like that, and I love the purple on there, so I'm really excited. I'm coming up with a collection here of china, so I love the fact that this comes from all the way from the UK. It's wrapped beautifully. I mean, nothing is chipped, broken, damaged, so it's comes really secure. So I really like everything I received. I've got the china. We've got some biscuits. And she always throws in a little extra something. And it could be tea related or not. But these are little note cards. So they're super cute. And then, of course, the 8 packages of tea. So I'm really excited. Some of the teas are the same as last time, but I really like them. So I was happy to get the replacements because I really enjoyed those teas. So yeah, that is what I received in the mail today. Super excited to try out some new teas and have some of the same ones I have last time. But like I said, they were all really good. So I am not disappointed at all. All in all, I think I will keep this subscription box, and I'll be excited to see what comes in next month. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Until next time, y'all have a wonderful day, wonderful night, and I will see you soon. Bye.